this episode of Road Trips, we'll be visiting the 31st annual Cal Poly Pomona Pumpkin Fest. The festival runs from September 28th to October 27th this year. Each year, this event is put on by the Cal Poly Pomona Don B. Huntley College of Agriculture. The Huntley College of Agriculture is the founding college at Cal Poly Pomona and the only state university agricultural program in Southern California. All of the produce and livestock are grown and maintained by agricultural students as part of the Cal Poly philosophy of learning by doing. We are now heading to the sunflower patch first to see if we can get lost in the maze of tall flowers. While we were strolling through the sunflowers, we encountered a few different colored flowers. And I thought all sunflowers were yellow. The bees here don't seem to mind the different colors, as we encountered hundreds of bees while navigating the maze. The star of the Pumpkin Festival is the pumpkins. And there are thousands of pumpkins here, all grown by the school and the students. You can find various pumpkins with different sizes, a good place to start your fall decoration ideas. The colors of these pumpkins are just wonderful. The students grew 40,000 pumpkins, 2 corn mazes, and a sunflower field, and provides petting farm animals for this event. Several livestock are on display for everyone, kids and adults alike, to enjoy. Here the attendant is just grooming the calf, and the animals seem to be enjoying the attention. Kids are having a blast with the animals. The farm store sells produce grown and harvested in the campus. The main store is where students can get their vegetables. The farm store at Kellogg Ranch, located at the AGRI Scapes, features a variety of produce and novelty items, including produce from the campus farm, orchards, nursery, and greenhouses. All proceeds for this event help support the Cal Poly Pomona Huntley College of Agricultural's farm operations, student clubs, and outreach activities. I hope you liked our visit to the Cal Poly Pomona Pumpkin Fest. You can find more information about this event in the description of this video. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.